Hello, this is Brian Mathis. I work here in the repair department here at MSI Viking Gauge. I enjoy working here in this department because I enjoy finding out how things work and taking them apart, disassembling, putting them back together, and making them better if I can than they were when they come in. Got into working here. I've been here going on 20 years, and I enjoy, taking things apart, seeing how they work. So we'll take things apart, disassemble them. They need new parts, we put them on it, repair things, and try to make them function a little bit better than they did when they come in to the manufacturer's specifications. And then we calibrate the items while we got them in here and ship them out back to the customer. Try to get the quickest turnaround time we can.